Hello guys, good afternoon. I have here two different type of table saws for cutting woods. This is GCM 10 professional, and look at the blade inside. It's 254 mm. And this is still a very good condition, but I'm thinking to sell all these guys because I can't use this. And the stand is different name. It's GTE 2600 professional, and that's made in China 2010. And have another one here guys. This is also a table saw which is including the stand. This one is GTE 10 254 mm Bosch GTS 10 professional. This is the stand. At the bottom is GTE 60 watts professional. I can imagine W means watts. I'm not expert for this guys. This is this is 180 kilograms, and this is made in Taiwan 2011. It's not very old, but again, it's a very good condition. So I'll have to check how much is this. But most people are, they will pay only half price when it comes for second hand. Even it is a good condition, as long as second hand, you will expect they will pay for only half price. Here, that's it. Look at that. It's a shame really to sell all this good quality, but what will I do with this? I can't use this. I don't even know how to own this one. So I decided to sell all these table saws. Hopefully people will be interested of buying this. This one. Oh, this one is I can't remember how many times only my husband used this. Maybe 3 times, 4 times. So but what can I do? There are also other stuff in here, but it needs sealing because again I don't know how to use them. Otherwise it will damage here if I leave it. So it's better seal it. That's the saw blade. That's massive. I don't know what's the size of that blade. Let's have a look. I can't see in here. Where is that? Can't really see. I don't know. I don't know how to open. But the other one, the blade of this GCM 10, it's also massive. And you can see that, guys. At what is that? 40 HW. Maximum is 6,000 minutes. I don't know. That's the name, Bosch GCM 10. Okay guys, thank you for watching.